former guard shocked the world public with his report from internment camps in East Turkestan. The 39-year-old Kazakh Baymurat Jumgay worked in a camp in the Kanji region, but later had to flee to Kazakhstan. He made it clear to the media that the concentration camps are no longer distinguishable from prisons. He himself arrested numerous Uyghurs between the ages of 13 and 80. According to Jumgay, most were interned because of their religiosity or because of phone calls abroad. The camps have nothing to do with education, the former guard said. Why else would you handcuff the inmates? The YIJH organized a demonstration in Samsun to once again denounce China's criminal policy. Photo exhibitions were erected in Adana and Istanbul, showing the suffering of the minorities in East Turkestan. The Chinese government has developed an app to spread the ideas of Xi Jinping. The 90 million members of the Communist Party are now invited to download the app called Xirxi. The app was downloaded more often than WeChat or TikTok. In Warsaw, the foreign ministers of Arab states met with Netanyahu and American officials to discuss the Iranian threat. At the United States-led Middle East conference in Warsaw, foreign ministers of Arab states and the Israeli president met under one roof for the first time. After the Kurdish People's Defense Unit YPG and the PKK terrorists occupied the IS region east of the Firats, the IS men fighting in Deir az-Zor surrendered and were then shipped along with their family to a military US base.